Jared has been working on the stair treads, risers, and wainscoting. How's it going back here, Jared?
Good. Just installing the last tread, Tom.
All right.
Getting ready to install the nosing around the stairwell perimeter.
Yeah, I can see that. You've got it all cut. You've got a nice round over edge here, and you've slotted the back for a spline.
That's right.
Now you'll have to cut a slot or a dado here so that spline will fit in there and hold it into position.
That's right.
So that's really going to look good. You're going to hide the end grain nicely, and by the time that's in and finished, that'll be flush with the floor.
Yep.
What do you want to do first?
I want to route out the flooring to receive the spline and then install the nosing.
All right, so I see you have a slot cutting bit in your router. Now this slot cutting bit is the same as you used on the nosing here, so that will match. It has a bearing to hold the depth, and the height is set off the base so that when the two pieces come together, they'll be flush at the top. All right, I'll just get it started down here for you. All right, so you cut the splines out of the same material that the floor is made out of.
Correct.
All right, you've cut the width of the spline a little bit narrower than half the depth of the slot. So when it slides in, you'll have some room for glue on either side.
That's right.
All right, now we're ready to put the nosing on. A little bit of glue in the slot this time. Well, that was the easy one. Now we have to get this one in, tight to the miter, like that. Fits pretty good there?
Yeah.
Okay. So what we need to do now is we have to figure out how we can get this in and still get some spline in here somewhere. We're not going to be able to use the spline the whole way because of the brick, the angles of the brick, and the tightness of the miter. So I think what we'll do is, I'm going to get this out. And then we'll put then we got to try to put the spline in. So I think we can only put a small section of spline in here. All right, now we have our mark right there. Let's slide it in that.
Also, I want to put some construction adhesive in this part.
Okay, so now we can see if we can fight this in here a little bit. Got it. Let's see if I can force it in a little bit, right into that spine. All right. Okay, I can't slide that. Let me see if I can get the bar in here and push it down to you. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
How is it?
Good.
Is that it?
Yep. We're tight.
Perfect. You want to nail that off?
Yep.
All right, looks really good. So, you get this nailed off, you have one piece of scotia here, and Stairway is really coming together.
Yep.
Nice job, Jared.
Thank you, Tom.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.